Ignite the fire lighter. Place the charcoal starter on the fire. Smoke will come out. Leave it for 30 minutes. Even if there is no smoke, the fire will not go out, don't worry. After a while, you will see a fire at the bottom. If the flame rises, it's okay. Set the holder and place the charcoal in it. Be careful, it is hot. The fire starter should be placed on top of the bricks. Put the net on top and you're ready to go. Let's enjoy BBQ. Please put away dishes and food indoors after eating, as animals may come. Close the grill lid before going to bed.